How to add another Instagram account on one device. Hey everyone! In this quick video, I will show you how to add another Instagram account on one device so you can easily manage multiple profiles without the hassle of logging in and out. Whether you have a personal account and a business account, or you manage social media for different clients, this feature will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive in. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your device and navigate to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here's the trick. Tap and hold down on your profile picture. After a second or two, a menu will pop up with a few options. From this menu, select Add Instagram Account. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter the login details for the account you want to add. On the login screen, simply fill in the username and password for the Instagram account you wish to add. If you've logged into this account on your device before, Instagram may even automatically fill in the details for you. Once you've entered your login information, tap the login button and voila. The new account will be added to your app, and you'll be able to switch between your accounts seamlessly. To switch between accounts, just tap and hold your profile picture icon again, and the menu will pop up with all the accounts you've added. Select the account you want to use, and Instagram will instantly switch over to that profile. No more logging out and back in every time you need to post or check notifications on a different account. With this handy feature, managing multiple Instagram profiles is a breeze. So, go ahead and give it a try. Add those extra accounts and simplify your social media management today.